How to apply in Palfish. Okay, so first, okay, so you go to Play Store, Google Play Store, and you search Palfish T. Search. Okay, so this should be the logo. Okay, so let's open it since I have downloaded it already. Okay, so first, applied. So it shows now verifying. Okay, so I'm gonna wait maybe 2 to 3 days for it to for me to get the result. Right, so first, okay, so before you apply, or when you